Hi, I'm Mrs. C, and today we're going to be talking about shapes. We're going to be learning about rectangles and squares. These are important because our world is made out of shapes. So let's take a close look at some of these. First, we're going to talk about rectangles. Now, the important thing to know about a rectangle is that it has four sides. If you look at my pen right here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has four sides. It also has four right angles. What I mean by this is that it has a 90-degree angle at each point or at each corner. So here's another rectangle, and you can see that a rectangle has one long side and another long side that's the same length, and then it has a short side and another short side that's the same length. Rectangles can be laying down like the ones I just showed you, or they can be standing up more upright like this one, and this one. So the important thing to remember is that rectangles have four sides and four right angles. Now we're going to look at some special rectangles. Let me clear this off for you. Special rectangles. And the special rectangles we want to talk about specifically are squares. Now, a square is a rectangle, as you can see right here. It has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has four right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the special thing about a square is that all four sides are equal length. So this side is equal to this side, they're the same length, and this side is the same length, and this side is the same length. Let's look at another square. This is a bigger square. Squares can come in all different sizes, but every time you see a square, it's going to have four equal sides and four right angles. 2, 3, 4. Here's another one. This one's really big. The other important thing to know about squares is that they can be tipped to the side or even standing upright on their point, and it's still a square as long as it has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides and four right angles. Let's look at some squares and rectangles in real life. Oh, and let me clear that off for you. There you go. All right, take a look at this present. This present is a rectangle. It has four sides and four right angles. This box is a rectangle, but it's a special rectangle. It's a square because it has four equal sides and four right angles. This book is a rectangle. It has four sides and four right angles. This refrigerator is a rectangle. It has four sides and four right angles. This door is a rectangle. It has four sides and four right angles. And this bread is a rectangle, but it's a special rectangle called a square because it has four equal sides and four right angles. And finally, this cell phone is a rectangle. It has four sides and four right angles. Now you know the difference between a rectangle and a special rectangle called a square, so you can go tell your brother, sister, friend, auntie, uncle, someone, and you can be looking around your house to find squares and rectangles in your everyday life. Thanks for joining me to learn about squares and rectangles, and I'll see you next time.